back at it again with Charles Celica. As you know, last time it was the Kaminari rear bumper, and he added the TRD skirts, or the, not TRD, Tsunami. I'm getting excited because we have the TRD exhaust fully installed. We don't care that there's a little smusher in it or whatever. Forget about that. It'll sound great. It's fine. And these nice big fatty spacers in the back. He should have some meat.
We did a 25 millimeter.
25 millimeter in the rear?
Yeah, just in the rear. We'll see how it sits. Probably gonna have to roll my fenders and grind out the usual suspect spot.
Yeah, the suspect corner right there. So
let's drop it and see where we're at.
yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna yeah, you can tell what I had to do to get those in there, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, the Tsunami skirts drop it down if you want. Well, now we need to bounce on the back. It's really
Open the hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why there was a
Oh my.
this hanging out of a tree.
Get that on film.
Oh lordy.
Apparently her dad saw that it was moldy and decided to put it in the tree with the plastic open for the birds.
For the birds. That's
yeah.
for the fucking birds.
That looks excellent.
Yeah. That is
We need to go
fucking meaty.
hit a couple speed bumps and see how it looks going over some humps.
Yeah.
Probably have you get out of the car and just see me roll over a hump so we can see how it goes. But
Yeah.
let me also get in the back and jump up and down a couple times. Try to get seated a little more. Because it was way lower than that before we jacked it up.
Yeah. As I'm like sticking my fingers in there.
Yeah.
Well, you're not hitting the trench. If I put it level with the tire, you will. But if you put it like this,
It would help if I knew.
this whole time, just
Oh,
fucking.
okay. We can edit it.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
What was the other one that you had off the money pit?
just some AP accelerator.
Okay.
It was.
In honor of that one,
Yeah. Let's
let's just say.
A little puff of black smoke came out on yours too. Woo!
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That sounds great.
Nice and aggressive at idle. Like, it's got a nice rumble to
Yeah,
it.
it's got a little throat.
Yeah, it's got a little throat.
Cool.
Hell yeah. I guess now.
That's why I wear the Cobra Kai socks when I work on the car. Everything always happens the way it's supposed to. My good luck socks. Get yourself a pair of good luck socks.
The man knows what he's talking about. A couple of times.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Fortunately, it needs to warm up a little bit.
We did a little ugly DIY fender rolling to get the fitment right. It ain't perfect, but what it is functional. What it is functional. Just needed a little tad to not rub. So, there she sits. Mean and merciless.
Still need to do the front.
Still need to do the front, yeah. However, even with the fronts sitting as they are with the rears, it looks way better. You've got poke out past your skirt now. Look at that.